people. I get to understand some people suffer from real success depression. Yes, no, not their success. Your success, not now going for them. Your success that cause the stress upon them. As soon as you start make strides to be a better person, because who wants to be stagnant like dirty water on a market side? As soon as you start make strides, you have put things into place to make a better life for yourself and your family and whatever, and people just start look sad and sick like when they go on lamp aisle. You're not supposed to better, you're supposed to be on the same level with them. Scope out in a circle. See who is real. Look who laughs when you laugh. Look who cry when you laugh. You understand me? You have to know by now, it's not everybody running away say them a friend. And my mother tell them that day one. You understand me? Fall on hard times. Drop on your face and you know who your friends are. You understand me? Someone now waste time with the wrong crowd. Waste time with the wrong crowd because God forbid anything happen to you, them can't help you. Financially, emotionally, mentally, they have nothing to contribute to your life. What are you doing with people like those in your life? And how dare you progress? How dare you progress? You should be on the same level like them. So the whole of you can sit down and chat every day and chat when I can't go nowhere. Soon as you move up, you hear how she hype. And she don't remember which part she come from. Guess what? People like me remember where I'm coming from. That's why I know where I'm going. Me, no one up on my bed. And I feel worried about to make sure that the bucket up on the top of the ceiling full of water for when rain falls, so I can get a pretty good sleep. You understand me? Me remember the days that when I'm hungry. I don't want to be hungry again. I've experienced hard times. More experience good times. You know I experience good times too. It feel like when you look up picnic in the road and your friend them are playing rain just come out of nowhere in a country and you have to make sure you run go make sure the bucket up at the top of the house fix good so that the water now wet up the bed so you can't sleep on it. Do you know what it feels like? Do you know what it feels like to want to go to school and you're not able to because your mom doesn't have any money and your father disappeared? Do you know what it feels like? So sorry. I am so sorry if my success is the reason for your unhappiness, sweetie. And I'm sorry if it's causing your stress. Sweetie, look at casket. Stress are the number one killer. And still not yet. Up me I go. I run some people out in life. Some people stagnant. And I'm not want the best for no. You have your best interest at heart. How the fly I go? You have your best interest at heart. Make them chat to say you're hype. I'd rather be hype than sit on the same level with someone where all you do are watch and tag people on their life not going anywhere. And me say progress. I know enough for this progress too. Make enough for them more friends with them funny tongue. Sit down and laugh with them like them and a friend back on back on them chat to know. Guess what? Talk is cheap. Your talk cheap. My action approve where me want go. Run some people on life. Focus on uno. No focus on a locus. Because at the end of the day, them see when I go sit down and chat to you. You know how long she there foreign and she didn't even have a car. You know how long she there foreign and she still asleep in her auntie house. You know how long him there foreign and him still a work at the restaurant. You know all the things that they will say. Make them say, hype man, make your life better. Prove them wrong. Make them sad and unhappy. Let them be sad, unhappy on your behalf. That's not your problem. Your success you are focused on. So they can't focus with it on you. Focus on it, sorry, with you. But them go on about them business. Life is too short. Who wants to suffer in a place where you can flourish? Whether yard or abroad. You don't want to live some of the good life. You don't want to go on cruise. You don't want to go to Dubai. You don't want to go to Egypt. You don't want to go to Bora Bora. You don't want to go places. Can't go and worry about people. Stop it. Focus on your life and be blessed.